Hello, everybody. My name is Dahlia, and welcome to my English class. I hope you all are doing well, and I'm very good. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to make WH questions in future tense. On my last two videos, I had already discussed how to make WH questions in present tense and past tense. If you haven't watched yet, please watch them because these two videos are very informative. And today's video is also going to be super exciting, learnable, and informative. Now, without further delay, let's get started. Okay, all right. I hope my screen is visible clearly to everybody. Okay, great. Well, now let me mention that in today's video, I'm not going to work on all four forms of future tense, right? We know that we have total four forms of future tense like present and past tense. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. But I will be working on only simple future and future continuous tense of using WH word, WH questions. The reason is that people usually don't use future perfect and future perfect continuous tense in their daily lives. But yes, of course, they are also important, but I think people most of the time use simple future and future continuous tense. So here I'm going to work on simple future and future continuous tense. How to make WH questions when it is simple future tense and future continuous tense. Okay, let me start with simple future tense. As we all know that simple future tense means the action that will happen in the future time, right? And it's pretty easier for everyone to understand. Well, so it's not really important to discuss here because here I'm going to work on how to make WH questions. Okay, all right. Just look at the first sentence structure I have written here. Okay, this is general structure of interrogative sentence of simple future tense, right? As I always say that for interrogative sentence, always auxiliary verb will come first, right? And exactly the same structure, same rule I have followed here, right? First, auxiliary verbs shall or will according to the subject plus present form of the main verb plus object or rest of the part of the sentence. Okay, clear? So it is general structure of interrogative sentence of simple future tense. Now, if you have to use WH word or if you have to make WH questions of simple future tense, what should be the structure? Very simple. In my last videos, on my last video, also I have discussed it that just bring the WH word in the beginning of the sentence, okay, and then follow the general structure of interrogative sentence. Very simple, okay. Now look at the sentence structure. First WH word plus auxiliary verb shall or will according to the subject plus present form of the main verb plus object or rest of the part of the sentence. Okay, clear? Now look at the examples. What shall I do? What shall I do? What will you do tomorrow morning? When will you go to the airport? Okay, clear? It's very easy. Next, future continuous tense. What is a future continuous tense? It's a little bit confusing, but I would like to tell you a little bit about it. Future continuous tense is used to expression action that is imagined is going to be happening in the future time. Okay, that means that the action we are imagining will start in the future time and it will be continuing for a long time. We don't know when it will get finished. So it's a continuous process. Anyway, it's really not necessary to think about what is future continuous tense here, because here basically you are going to focus on the WH questions structure. Okay, all right. Anyway, first, look at the first sentence. Here, I have used just a general or basic interrogative sentence structure of future continuous tense. As I always say that for interrogative sentence, always auxiliary verb will come first, and I have exactly followed the same rule over here. So, first auxiliary verb shall or will according to the subject plus subject plus be plus main verb with ing plus object or rest of the part of the sentence. Okay, so it is the structure of general interrogative sentence of future continuous tense. Okay, now if you want to make a WH question, then follow the structure like first WH word. Okay, just to bring the WH word in the beginning of the sentence and just follow the general structure of interrogative sentence of future continuous tense. Okay, it's really pretty easier. So now look at here. First WH word plus auxiliary verb shall or will according to the subject plus subject plus be plus main verb with ing plus object or rest of the part of the sentence. Okay, clear? Now look at the exam. Look at some examples. When will you be finishing your degree? When will you be finishing your degree? How long will you be staying in America? How long will you be staying in America? Where will she be sleeping tomorrow? Where will she be sleeping tomorrow? Okay, clear? But I would like to tell you one thing. Please be careful about the auxiliary verbs, because for the simple future tense, we have to use only shall or will according to the subject. But for future continuous tense, we have to use shall be or will be. Be careful about it. Okay? And of course, if the subject is I and we can use shall or will both. But if the subject is you second person and third person singular number and any kind of plural, then always we have to use will. We cannot use shall over there. Okay, clear? So I'm pretty sure that you all have really understood very well. Okay, alright. I hope you all have enjoyed the video, and I'm pretty sure that you all have learned very well. And I'm pretty sure that you are not gonna make mistakes in the future, right? Well, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section below, or if you have any kind of feedback you would like to share with me, please put it down in the comment section below, and I would always love to follow you back. Now, keep practicing and waste your time. All the best. See you on the next video. Bye bye.